Welcome to SeamlessDocs. SeamlessDocs' online form and e-signature platform makes it easy for you to take your existing PDF forms and convert them into smarter online versions in seconds. We also give you the ability to create your own web forms from scratch in the platform. To start, simply go to SeamlessDocs.com and log in using your email address and password. Once you log in, this will take you into what we call the lobby. You can think of the lobby as your home page in your SeamlessDocs account. From the lobby, you can create and convert any of your forms. To get started, go to the very top right where it says Create, and then Upload Document. From here, you can pull your document from a whole slew of places. You can now set up this form to be completed by others. Click Set Up, and it's going to take us into our doc editor. The doc editor is where we can add customizations to this form to really make it that smarter online version. You'll notice in the doc editor we have all of our tools listed out on the left-hand side. I could easily go through and drag and drop text fields onto this form where it's needed, but you'll notice the first thing that pops up is this Auto Detect Fields feature. What this does is makes your job easier when you're setting up this form. It's going to scan through and place those fields on the form for you based off of lines and boxes detected on the form. As easy as that, you have your form set up in a matter of seconds. To add signatures to your form, simply drag and drop the signature tool onto the form wherever it's needed. You're now going to let the platform know who this signer is. 99% of the time, your first signer is almost always going to be someone not known yet. You can go ahead and click and name them whatever you like, applicant, client, signer 1, and save. As easy as that, you have your first signer set up on this form. Once you're done making any customizations, you can now click at the top right where it says Live View. And this is going to take us to the live view of the form, and we can now see this form as our end user, as the applicant, whoever's filling out this form is going to see this. Here in the live view, we can actually use this link and now copy and paste this. We can put this on the website, we can send it out via email, but pretty much this form is ready to start being filled out by our applicants. Like I mentioned, on top of being able to convert your existing PDF forms, you can also create your own web forms from scratch in the platform. To do this, go to the top right where it says Create. Now, instead of uploading a document, we're going to build a web form. Once you click Build a Web Form, it's going to take you into our web form builder. This is pretty much a blank canvas you have to work from. You see you have all of your form elements listed out here on the left-hand side, and now you can simply click to add these or drag and drop them onto the form wherever you'd like. Say, for example, we'd like to make a contact form. I can go ahead and title this at the top here, and now I can go through adding my field elements. I can add a heading and say that this is a contact form, and now I can pick all elements I want on this form. So say for example I want the person's name, maybe an email address or a phone number to contact them. I can also ask them customized questions, something like what is this regarding? Now once I'm done customizing my form here and building it out, all I have to do is click at the top right here to publish. And this is going to generate that unique URL link to the form and take us to the live view. We can now view it as our end user, applicants, whoever's submitting this contact form is going to see it. Now I bet you're wondering where all of this data is stored and how you can manage it. If you go back to your lobby, you'll see that right next to your form name is a number. If you go ahead and click on that number, that's going to take you into what we call the pipeline or your submission manager. From the pipeline, you can manage your submission data a few different ways. So you can see all of the data is just listed out here for you to review. You can choose to click this black icon to view the completed PDF. You could also select any or all submissions and email them directly from the pipeline, as well as export all of this data to a CSV or Excel file. Very last here in the pipeline or submission manager, you can also filter through all of these submissions for a specific result. You are now ready to start creating and converting your own forms in the SeamlessDocs platform. For additional documentation or support, you can use this tab on the right-hand side to view our support materials. Thank you and welcome to SeamlessDocs.